So it's just unboxing.
You mean bread butterfly?
Yes, of course.
Pretty soft ones. Alright, you get 3 of them. That is very soft. Then we have this one, and then this is the bucket and everything. Let's just see how it's.
Hi guys, so here I'm just trying to figure it out, how it's working, how it's gonna work, because I was scared that I might broke this away.
Hi guys, so I've just ordered this mop thing. It's very soft, very soft, so I'm gonna just review after the use how it's gonna be.
So finally I just figured out this is the button or a click that you have to open it to fix it or to spin it, and honestly it's just so easy. You just have to step it on it to bend it. And yeah, how lightweight, it's not that lightweight. It is a bit heavy of course, but it's not that you cannot work from one hand. So it was nice. I think your floor would be cleaned up, and it's very comfortable as well. So while you spin it, again I'm showing this, you have to just open it and just push it down, and that's how easy it is to spin or to dry this up. And here you can just close it up to lock it again. So overall I think I really like it for now, but I think the plastic quality could be a little bit more better to the amount we are paying. So yeah, let's see how long it would be a good thing.
That's it. Bye bye.